So today I plugged in one of my old hard drives, a lot like this one, but not black. And I was scrolling through it and I found a video of the Craftsman DYT 4000 before I actually got it. I was working on it for my neighbor, and I actually figured out what was wrong with it in the video. It was the spark plug. I already had taken out the spark plug. Turns out, I guess that motor had been fouling the spark plugs out a lot, and that's why it wasn't starting. I towed it home. It was with the it was stock still. Like, it had the mowing deck and hydrostat transmission, which I actually kept in it for a while when I had it. But I actually got it running. There's two videos. One where I actually do it and stuff, but I didn't film the last part, so I went back and actually filmed it at their house. So I'll have to edit it together and cut out the first half of it, because I screwed up the first half of it. I never uploaded it. It was filmed with the Nikon. I couldn't remember what the name of it was. It's been so long since I've used it. I filmed it with the Nikon, so it's not that great of quality, but it's an oldie, so an oldie, not really so much a goodie. So here it is. Enjoy.
Was getting good spark though. So yeah, let me put this new one back in. Let me go ahead and turn the wrench tighten. That hood was off, I could probably access this easy better. The single cylinder 18.5 horse. I done that flat now. A little bit gummy. I'm gonna clean it for him. I will bill him. Let me tell you, this thing don't roll very easy. Let's see what battery is. This might make it start. If it does, woohoo. I wonder how often they change the oil. It might change the oil. I hope they had it on. They're getting ready to be by our house with the paving. So, yeah, that's that. So, I took up the old sparkaroo wire, and give it a little try. I'm gonna leave this back. This is my battery. That's their battery. My jumper cables. So, I cleaned the rag just now. I don't know. It smells like gas. It's getting gas. I checked the fuel thing over here. The fuel pump. It shot out gas, and then I tried it here. It shot out gas, so that's good. Let's put the air filter back on. That way I don't lose that. That's just, I'm gonna clean this for him. That's my pliers. Oh, there went my wrench. On that lawnmower over there, the clutch is on this side, and then this is over here, so yeah. The battery might need to be charged. That might help. Oh, well, I'll go get my battery charger and I'll hook it up. But yeah, I'll mention this. Change the spark plug. Oh yeah, I was going to show you how many hours it had on it. I'll show you how many hours it has on it. $534 hours. That's a lot of hours on that, but they're kind of like homies like us. At least that's an easy fix. Where is that battery? Oh, it's all the way in back. Well, I guess I'll hook that up and I'll try a little bit later. So, subscribe and have a great day. See ya! Bill here, and, well, actually, yeah. Here's that lawnmower that I had at my house. It's my neighbor's. I'm actually at my neighbor's house. She's not here, or him and her are not here right now, but I figured what the heck, I'll do a video. So, I changed the spark plug, and I charged the battery. So, all I done was change the spark plug, and charge the battery. So, now, I don't have to choke it right. But yeah, it runs fine now. It smokes a little. Kind of like that John Deere, but yeah. Anywho, so I got it running real good for her now. So now she can finish mowing the yard. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, subscribe and have a good day. See ya.